Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have three squares. The side length of this square are 4 unit, 3 unit and 2 unit. And all of this square are on same base and touches each other. And we have to find the area of this green region. Consider this point as A, this as B, this as C. So this is a triangle ABC and this D, this point E, this point as F and this G. Now focus on triangle ABC and triangle DEC. So in triangle ABC and in triangle DEC. In these two triangles, this angle B is 90 degree and in this triangle angle E is 90 degree. So both of these angles are same and the angle C is common to both of this triangle. So rest of this angle A, this angle A is equal to this angle D. So these two triangles are similar triangle. So for this similarity, we can write AB divided by BC. So from this triangle, AB divided by BC is equal to, from this triangle, DE divided by EC. DE divided by EC, or this AB is same as this side length, which is 4. So length AB is equal to 4 unit. So substitute here, we can write 4 divided by BC. BC is BE plus EG plus GC. Now BE, this is 4 because this is the side length of this square, and EG is equal to 3 because this is the side length of this square, which is 3, and GC is equal to 2 as same of this square. So total length BC is equal to 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9 is equal to DE. This DE, consider this length as A. So this as A divided by EC. EC is equal to this EG plus GC, which is 3 plus 2, so this is 5. The value of A is equal to 4 times 5, this is 20 over this 9. Again, from triangle ABC, so from triangle ABC and in triangle FGC. In these two triangles, the angle B is equal to the angle Z because both of these are 90 degree. And angle C is common and angle A is same as this angle F. Again, these two triangles are similar. So this AB divided by BC, AB divided by BC is equal to this FG divided by GC. So FG divided GC. Now substitute AB, which is 4, divided by BC. BC, this is 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2 as 9, is equal to FG. FG, consider this as B. So B divided by GC, which is 2 unit. So the value of B is equal to 4 times 2, this is 8, over this 9. Now focus on this green region. This is a trapezium. So in trapezium, D, E, Z, F. This is a trapezium because this DE is parallel to this FG. So the area of this trapezium is equal to half of A plus B times H. This H is the height of this trapezium, which is 3 unit. Now substitute the value. We can write half of A, this side, which is 20 over 9. So 20 over 9 plus B, this is 8 over 9. So 8 over 9 times height, the distance between these two parallel lines, which is 3 unit. So H is equal to 3. Now simplifying this, we can write half times this 9 as common and this 20 plus 8. So 20 plus 8 times this 3 is equal to half times 20 plus 8, this is 28 over this 9 times this 3. Now this 2 divided by this 28, it will be 14, and this 3 divided this 9 and remain 3. So this will be this 14 divided by this 3, and this is the area of this green region. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.